Hello, you. How are you today? Well, we are still going through this huge 12-pound mystery bag of jewelry that I got from Goodwill. I've already found roughly $800 worth of jewelry in this bag, and if you can believe it, I only paid $99. I'm so excited. I'm having so much fun, and I'm so glad that you're here with me. If you haven't watched the first two videos, I'll put a link to the playlist up above and at the end of the video. I've also made a small change to the way I'm doing my unboxings. I'm adding approximate pricing now for any of the special items or the designer pieces. I hope you like that addition. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Real quick, let me thank my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so you never miss one of our treasure hunts together. I think this is video 15 of my channel so far, and my first personal milestone is to reach 200 subscribers. YouTube, on the other hand, only starts to give me perks once I reach 1,000 subscribers, but baby steps, right? Baby steps. Okay, so let's get started on part 3 of this awesome jewelry haul. Here we go. So a couple of those pieces that I just showed you already on the screen were actually the end of the last video, so I went ahead and didn't have to voice over that, but let's see. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. We found the necklace. I think it was the last video that we found the necklace for this Robert Graziano bracelet or set. And now we found the bracelet. How exciting is that? Woo! Yeah, I think I put up there $70 to $80 with it combined as the set. And a vintage Monet. Yes. Oh my gosh, that is really weighty too. That's $75, $85. That is really special. This bag just keeps getting better and better and better. What's this one? Those little sea links, I see them. Oh, it says Korea. That's beautiful. I could fake you out and think that that was real gold. Let's see what we have. I'm trying to kind of go silver gold, if I can. It just makes whatever comes out easy is what we go with. That's really nice too. Nice silver chain. Look long. A lot of long necklaces in this. Oh, this is a Hallmark starter bracelet for when you want to put charms all over it. So cute. Interesting. Little butterfly. Look at how thin metal that is. I like the little dangles. Sometimes you just like a little fancy dangle, you know. And we have the pair. Yay! I say this every time, but I love when we have the pair. Makes me grumpy when we don't have the pair and I just have a single earring. Oh, maybe like this little guy right here. A little pearl. It's kind of a golden pearl stud earring. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So the little tiny tag that's hanging off has S9999, which talks about the being pure silver. And it's got little brushed balls and little polished ones. Very heavy. My gosh, that piece right there is worth more than this entire bag, because this entire bag was $99, like I've told you. That was worth at least $120, $150, somewhere in there. That's a cute little earring. Another single earring. Come on, guys, we got to have pairs. Who knows where they are? It could be the very last piece that I pull out is a pair. There we go. Yay. And if you see some of these that you haven't seen, it's the earlier videos. And what I do is I pull the singles out and I put them to the right here on the desk for myself to look through quickly to see if we have a pair. Yep, and I'm looking right then. Did not find one. Let's see. What else? Look at the cute little hearts. Nice. Just a nice little bracelet. Sometimes you see them and you know someone just absolutely loved it because it's so worn. Makes me happy. Let's see this. Oh, yes. Okay. So at first I did not know what that was, but it's hockey. So you've got, let's see what you got here. You've got like a helmet. That is a pair of skates. Can you see them? And then this is a goal or the net. That's kind of fun. And then we have sticks and the little puck. Like a little charm bracelet. It's kind of heavy too. Do you like hockey? I kind of like watching. You know when I like watching hockey? That don't get mad. I like it a little bit later in the game when it gets more exciting. Same for basketball for me. That's a beautiful little bracelet. A lot of different looking chains. That's a cute one too. I know I've asked before if you like silver or gold, and some of you have answered, and I really appreciate you answering me. That maybe you like wearing more silver items or gold, or maybe you don't like either one and you wear like the little beads. Maybe you like bead necklaces or bracelets. Love to hear. I appreciate when anyone comments. I try to answer as quickly as I can. Oh, I love hummingbirds. I really need to put my feeder up. I haven't put it out. And I know they're here already, where I live. Ooh. I kind of love these chunky necklaces and bracelets. At first I couldn't figure out where, because you see at the bottom there, it's got a toggle. That's not a real toggle. That's stationary. It doesn't open. So I had to really find where the opening was. What do we got here? Okay, now this is a toggle that I believe actually works. Yes. But then again, this is a special one too because this toggle here is in front. It's not in the back as the closure, it's in the front. And it's a really long necklace. And then that's where it drapes down in front. That's kind of interesting, yeah? Do you like toggles? I'm wishy-washy on that, whether I like the toggle. I've had a couple pieces where the toggle kept coming undone, and that's scary. You don't want to lose your piece. Look at that, the little puppy bone. Cute. Yeah, I was looking there for 925. That really looks quite silver, and the bone didn't have any mark on it at all. So I guess not. Or maybe I'll have to test that at some point. This, again, thought it was a necklace, but it's actually, it needs a little tiny repair, which I think I've fixed it already, because it drives me nuts when it's broken and it's something quick to fix. I just go ahead and do it right quick. But it's a bracelet. It's like 2-chain bracelet. Ooh, fancy. See how it's springy? It doesn't really expand really big, but it is very flexible. Got to try it on real quick, right? Oh, I like this one. See how chunky it is? What's its tag? And why? I put up there at the top that it's kind of cubist styling. Really neat. And what do we have here? Oh, it's Avon. Mesh bracelet. Neat. That's interesting. You might say, hey, why are you surprised? Well, I record this, me opening these bags ahead of time. And then when I come in to do the voiceover on them, I'm like, ooh, what was that again? I don't remember. That's fun. See, again, I like those chunky necklaces. Depends on how long they are, though. If they're super long, then they start getting really heavy. You don't want it to like make you uncomfortable because it's so heavy. Oh, look at this. It's a mantra band. She believed she could, so she did. Lovely. Let's see. That again, that looks kind of silver, right? What's that say? So that 925 silver necklace. It's marked 925 MEX, Mexico. And then the MD28V. And then there's actually like another little something on the end. It looked like a hallmark of some kind, but I could not make it out. It was just not put on there well enough for me to see what it was. Could have been a number, could have been a letter. I don't know. What do we have here? Oh, it's a K. Love it. I have a friend's daughter whose name starts with a K. I think of her when I see Ks. Another individual single earring. Come on. And when I reach to the right there, I'm kind of poking through that little stack we have of single earrings to see if we found a match for this. Bracelet. Cute little silver one. Kind of like those links. Those are interesting. And oh yeah, fun little earring. I like when there's a little bit of a dangle or movement to the earring. And I think I'm looking and yes, yay. Found the pair. Celebrate. Okay. Oh, this is very interesting. So the very first piece that I pulled out of this bag was the I love you, the ring, the round part. I didn't know what it was, so I just set it aside. So now I have the match. It goes together. Ooh, that's funky too. Twisted rope. Very heavy again. Okay, we're gonna have to stop here. I think that's enough for this one. My goodness sakes. It is crazy how much jewelry we still have left to go through. So far in part 1, we were at a value of around $350. In part 2, we added another $425. And here in part 3, we added another $545. So for this $99 bag, we're at just under $1,300 in jewelry, and we still have a bunch more to look through. This is amazing. I hope you're having fun. I post these jewelry unboxing videos Thursdays and Sundays, so please hit the subscribe button so that you never miss a treasure hunt. Thanks again to all my current subscribers, and as always, please like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.